Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video here out in the workshop. And yesterday I wanted to add some stuff in my workshop. And I want to show you what I did. I took down 4 of my 4-foot lights, my shop lights. They're fairly new. All brand new bulbs in them, cleaned up. But the lighting was terrible in here with 4. I was going to get 2 more, add them in, and I thought, nah, I'm not going to do all that. So yesterday, I went to the new store called Runnings. It's up in New York. And I went up there, and they had 4-foot LED lights on sale for the grand opening. Retailed $24.99, and the sale price was $17.99. In New York State, you got to pay 8% tax. I'm in Pennsylvania, and it's only 6%. But still, it's a bargain, because I go to New York every day anyways. So I want to show you the lights. Right there they are. They replaced the old, the fluorescent bulbs here. They replaced the whole fixture and everything, and it kind of looks like a shop light. It has 2 rows of LED lights inside there. And I tell you what, that stuff is bright. You can't even look that way. It burns your eyeballs. But boy, it lights up this workshop like crazy. No more flickering when it's cold. Look at that. Oh my God, those are beautiful. I moved those lights. I off-centered them so it's aiming this way, because I do a lot of videos right here where that drill's at. And now that brings all the light. I tell you what, I am so impressed with these LED lights. They're 4,500 lumas each. And they have an on and off switch on the end, like a little pull chain. But I'm not using that. I have the light switch above my door right over there. And I just turn them on, leave them on, and as soon as I hit the light switch, kills the power. But I am really impressed with it. Right now, the temperature in this workshop is like 40, maybe 40 degrees. It's getting a little chilly out here. It's like 7:30 in the morning here, Sunday morning. I figured I'd come out here and show you what I did yesterday when it was a beautiful day out. The garage door was wide open, and yeah, right there, that light, if the garage door's open, disappears. But I still want it there because, boy, is it dark if you don't have a light right above this area where my bandsaw and stuff is at. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to show you what I've been up to, and I highly recommend going to that running store. You're going to see a couple bags here, right there. And they also had, let me get this here, this brake cleaner, 50 cents off a can. I was going to buy quite a few cans because I do a lot, I mean a lot, with brakes. And I clean parts with them and everything. And like I said, I was on a little shopping spree yesterday. Went to Harbor Freight. And I got myself a pair of forceps here, so I can go into the gas tanks, and pull out the filter with ease. I mean, I do have long needle nose pliers, but they're just too big and bulky to get in there. And you can go deeper with these because they're really thin. So I got this. Yeah, everything's up in New York. I work in New York, so it's been one big loop to come back to Pennsylvania. I hit 3 stores, even save a lot, to grab myself a good case of beer, Busch Light. It's cheaper in New York than it is in Pennsylvania. Alrighty, guys, that's it. And again, I just want to show you that those LED lights at the new running store are amazing. Really impressed. And they are so bright. No more flicker of the fluorescent bulbs, because I usually have to tap them to get them to go. No more. And plus, they're lighter too. They probably weigh about 2 pounds versus like almost 10 pounds right here. Man, these things are heavy. So that takes care of the weight too. And they have the plug on them like this. You know, so. And they come with the hardware, the chains. They do come with the chains. Those are the chains that actually came with the light right there and right there. The ones I'm using over here are the chains that were on these two here. And I do have the chains somewhere. The brand new chains. I'm going to keep those just in case I decided to get some more or put these back up in certain areas, like down in my basement or something. I don't know. All right, gotta go. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one.